Your question is, which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Your options are A. Right to constitutional remedy, B. Right to property, C. Right to peaceful assembly, or D. Right to free movement all over the country. Right answer is B. Right to property. Your question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Subject related articles. Your options are A. The separation of judiciary from executive, Article 50. B. The promotion of educational and economic interests of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, Article 46. C. The promotion of cooperative societies, Article 43A. Or D. The organization of village panchayats and enable them to function as the units of self-government, Article 40. Right answer is C. The promotion of cooperative societies, Article 43A. Your question is, which of the following statements is or not true of the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen? 1. A legislative process has been provided to enforce these duties. 2. They are correlated to legal duties. Select the correct answers using the codes given below. Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, who of the following was elected President of India unanimously? Your options are A. S. Radhakrishnan, B. V.V. Giri, C. N. Sanjeeva Reddy, or D. Gyani Zail Singh. Right answer is C. N. Sanjeeva Reddy. Your question is, consider the following statements in the context of Indian Constitution. 1. The Union Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. 2. Union ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the Prime Minister. Your options are A. Only 1 is correct, B. Both 1 and 2 are correct, C. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct, or D. Only 2 is correct. Right answer is A. Only 1 is correct. The Union Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Your question is, Solicitor General of India is blank. Your options are A. Government advocate, B. The legal officer of President, C. Legal advisor, or D. Administrative officer. Right answer is C. Legal advisor. Your question is, the Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct control of the. Your options are A. Union Home Ministry, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. Prime Minister, or D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Your question is, which one of the following statements is not correct regarding the power of the Parliament to legislate on a matter in the state list? Your options are A. The Rajya Sabha has to declare that it would be necessary in the national interest. B. A resolution has to be passed by Rajya Sabha by not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting. C. The legislation could be for the whole or any part of the country. Or D. Only the Rajya Sabha can make laws with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. Right answer is D. Only the Rajya Sabha can make laws with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. Your question is, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act came into force in India during. Your options are A. 1998, B. 1999, C. 2001, or D. 2005. Right answer is D. 2005. Your question is, the Joint Parliamentary Committee examining the 2G scam is headed by. Your options are A. Murli Manohar Joshi, B. P.C. Chako, C. A.B. Vardhan, or D. Sitaram Yechuri. Right answer is B. P.C. Chako.